Case zero is a fleet of specialized agents, evidence, hypothesis, skeptic, and lead registered to a single orchestrator on Google Cloud. It reads real SEC filings, argues with itself, and logs every step to an immutable audit trail. The citation guard means no claim leaves the system uncited. Gemini 3.5 Flash is the model behind the agents. Its training ended before the SEC sued a company called Netcapital. Gemini knows the company, cold prompted, it even named an executive. Ask it about the fraud. Nothing. Gemini knows the cast. Gemini does not know the alleged crime. Case zero doesn't wait for training data to catch up. It reads the SEC filings itself. Document investigation eats analyst months, and the hard part isn't answering questions, it's not knowing which questions to ask. 71 real filings straight from EDGAR, the SEC filing system. One instruction to case zero, find out what happened. The SEC's complaint becomes the answer key. The agents are set up, pointed at the corpus, and ready to run. All I do is click once, then I don't touch anything. The fleet runs on its own for half an hour. Nobody has to babysit it. Before any AI model runs, the forensic ledger is created. Every number that may become evidence is recorded and cross-checked with plain arithmetic, deterministic, and reproducible. Any auditor can rerun the ledger and get the same numbers. No model, no prompt, no temperature slider. Arithmetic has one right answer, so it doesn't get an AI agent. Case zero rebuilt the payment ledger to Netcapital straight from the SEC filings and uncovered that most of the reported revenue wasn't cash. It was paid in the customer's own stock. The published price for the services was $5,000 to $10,000. These clients were billed over $1 million each in their own shares, over 100 times the cash cost for the same services. Other theories were argued among the agents, two readings of the same numbers, both alive at once. The system can't delete a theory because it's inconvenient. It has to be disproven. That's the skeptic's job. Now, the part that matters, the fleet of agents worked out that an insider related to the CFO controls these customers. It cannot name him. That name is in none of the 71 filings, but the AI model knows him. It named him in 3 seconds. The AI model also invented an SEC case against him that never happened. This is the famous AI hallucination problem that chills lawyers. The citation guard blocked it. No filing, no claim. The model knows him. The investigation refuses to name him, not because the model lacks the knowledge, because the evidence in the filings does not support the claim. Case zero runs on Google Cloud Run. Every argument, every revision, every block like log to Firestore. The stream you just watched is the same immutable login auditor reads back. Scored against the SEC's own complaint. 108 citations, every one verified, with no model in the loop, 5 calibration traps, true claims the filings can't support. Case zero asserted none of them. Of the findings in the SEC's case, it recovered 22%. We missed the rest. We never made one up. 22% of the findings, 0% invented. One test run reported it couldn't find a figure in the filings. We logged it as a hallucination. It wasn't. We were feeding the agents the first 40,000 characters of documents where the evidence sat at character 300,000. The agent was right. We were wrong. When an agent says it can't find something, check your retrieval before you check the model's honesty. That's evidence first AI, not a smarter model, a system that earns its claims.